to make cream pasta. So guys, this is the best and the easiest way you can make your cream pasta. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. Over here I have hot water. The water has turned to boil, so now I will add in cooking oil. So over here is the pasta I will be making use of. I will just open the pasta, then turn it inside the hot water. After doing that, I will add in some pinch of salt. So now I will stir together. So this will cook for just 5 minutes. I will just cover this to cook for just 5 minutes. You don't have to overcook this. 5 minutes later it's ready. So now it's ready. I will just turn off the heat, but first I will check if it's okay. So it's okay, then I will turn off the heat. So next I will turn the pasta inside a steamer. Then after doing that, I will add the 1 cup of cold water. So this will enable the pasta to stop cooking. So I will just keep it aside. So next to prepare is the chicken sauce. So over here I will add in cooking oil in a clean pot, then let this to hot. So next I will add in chicken breast and stir fry this. So I will just stir fry that for 1 second. So after stir frying that, I will add in some black pepper. So then I will add a pinch of salt to this, then stir together. I will let this to fry for 5 minutes. So 5 minutes later it has fried. This is how it look. So now I will stir. Then next to add in is the veggies. So over here is the vegetables I will be adding. I have chopped onions, red and yellow bell pepper and hot pepper. So I will just stir together. Just stir fry this for just 2 minutes. 2 minutes later I will just take it out from the pot. So after 2 minutes it's ready, I will just take it out from the pot. Our today haul goes to Emmanuel DK, watching from Nigeria. Thank you so much for being part of the family. We are happy to have you. Next I will add in coconut milk. Then I will add in all-purpose seasoning. Then add in some black pepper. Stir this together. Then add in some pinch of salt and stir together. Stir and let this to turn to boil for 5 minutes. 5 minutes later it has turned to boil. Next I will add in cheese. Don't forget to drop where you are watching from so that the next haul will be for you, and don't forget to share this video if you haven't shared. So now it's time to add in the pasta. So the cream is ready. Now I will add in the pasta inside the cream, then stir together. This is just so amazing. You can just get this done in your home. So this is the same pasta cream you buy in the restaurant. So I always get this for restaurants, so I can also make it for myself at home. So to you can always do it for yourself, and you and your family will get enjoy. So this is just about this recipe. Just take a good look at that. Looks so cream and looks so yummy. So thank you for watching. If you haven't shared this post, please share and let me know where you are watching from so that the next haul will be for you. And don't forget to share, don't forget to drop your comments. See you in my next one. If you enjoyed this video, share. Bye bye.